Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 14, that is rocks and its weathering. In the previous lecture we have discussed the methods of irrigation. The first question is dolomite is an igneous rock? No, the answer is sedimentary rocks because this is formed by the secondary formation and these are derived from igneous rocks. Next one, the rocks that is formed by the consolidation of fragmentary rock material and the product of their decomposition deposited by water, glacier, wind and gravity are called sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are derived from igneous rocks and they are formed through secondary formation. The example are limestone, dolomite, sandstone. Metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous or sedimentary rocks. How it is formed? Through the action of intense heat and high pressure. Next one, easily weathered or least resistant minerals are calcite. This is one of the very important question, that least resistant mineral is calcite. Example of basic rocks are gabbro and basalt. So what is the speciality of a basic rock? Basic rocks are example is gabbro and basalt, but these are very contain only little and free silica. Next one is quartz is a primary mineral. Yes, quartz is a primary mineral, but quartzite is a secondary mineral. Rocks containing intermediate amount of silica are diorite, syenite and andesite. Match the odd one out. Gneiss from granite, quartzite from quartz, marble from limestone, dolomite from quartz. The answer is dolomite from quartz because gneiss formed from granite, quartzite formed from quartz, marble formed from limestone. These are metamorphic rocks, but dolomite is not formed from quartz. Next one, what are minerals? These are natural compound with definite chemical composition. Next one, very slowly weather or most resistant to weathering minerals are quartz. So quartz constitute 36% of earth crust. Next one, acid rocks have how much percentage of silica? 65 to 70%. That is the actual one. Now next is that what are plutonic rocks? So the plutonic rocks is that igneous rock that is formed from inside earth by the solidification of magma. That is called plutonic rocks. Next one, feldspar and orthoclase are the source of which plant nutrient? It is a very important question. The answer is potassium, that is K. Next one, which one of the following is a secondary mineral? Dolomite. So it is one of the very important one. Actually dolomite is a secondary mineral. Next one, what are basic rocks? That contain 40 to 55% of silica, and the examples are limestone, basalt and gabbro. Next one that is asked in competitive exam is that conker nodules are formed by precipitation of insoluble calcium carbonate. Next one, plants to appear first on the broken and physically weathered rock fragments are mosses and lichens. This is one of the very important question that is asked in AFO and all. The first appear plant and that are physically weathered rock fragments are mosses and lichens. Chemical weathering is minimum under desert condition due to absence of water. This is the only reason that why chemical weathering is minimum. It is due to the absence of water. Next one, what is the source of boron? Is tourmaline. That is a mineral that is the only source of boron. Next one, secondary minerals are most prominent in clay. So these are the questions that are in weathering and rocks. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. Till then, stay tuned.